Ashama and welcome back to Kaku Presents Afan Oromo Lessons, Lesson 6, Months of the Year. Months are known as Jiota in Afan Oromo. We will review all 13 months of the Ethiopian calendar as follows. Fulbana, September. Onkololesa, October. Sadasa, November. Mudde, December. Amaji, January. Kurantala, February. Bitotessa, March. Ebla, April. Chamsa, May. Watabaji, June. Adolesa, July. Hagaya, August. And Kamme, the 13th month in the Ethiopian calendar. Next, we'll be looking at seasons of the year, which are known as Waqta Wagga in Afan Oromo. Bir, spring. Bona, summer. Arfasa, autumn. Ganna, winter. These seasons of the year have specific months included within them. In Birra, or spring, we find Fulbana, September, Onkololesa, October, Sadasa, November. In Bonna, or summer, we find Mudde, December, Amaji, January, Kurandela, February. In Arfasa, or autumn, we find Bitotessa, March, Chamsa, April, Ebla, May. In Ganna, or winter, we find Watabaji, June, Adolesa, July, Hagaya, August, Kamme, which is the last and 13th month of the Ethiopian calendar. Some examples. Fulbanni Jiota Birra Kessa isa tokko. September is one of the months in spring. Onkololesi Jia Baye Qorruda. October is a very cold month. Muddin Jia Jalqaba Bonatti. December is the first month of winter. Thank you for joining us once again for another round of Kaku Presents Afan Oromo Lessons. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to email us at kakucollective@gmail.com. You can also find us at Kaku Official on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Nagati. Bye.